Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video, we will learn about the array querying operators. The list of array querying operators, we'll try to learn it. In that one, the first operator, what we try to know is size operator. That is nothing but $size operator. This $size operator matches any array with the number of elements specified by the argument. So that means the size operator matches the element. So how many elements you are having? So if you mention the size, I want a document which is having a particular field of size 4 means, so whichever whatever the field is having 4 elements, that document will be returned. So I will try to show you the real-time example for this one. So if you try to see here, we are having db of books dot find. So this is our this is our books document. If you try to see pretty, you will be able to see. So these are the books document, and here in this document we are having an id, title and details which is written a document and is having quantity and price, and tags is an array. So tags can contain, so array drama, horror, drama, suspense, so like this. So a variety of sizes we are having. So one is having tags of size 3, so tags as a 1, something like that we are having. So now I want to get all the documents. Okay, I want to get db dot books dot find. I want to get all the documents which are having tags, okay, which are having tags of size only 2. Okay, so then if I try to print here, now here I am able to get the values so of tags which are having only 2. If I try to show you by printing by using pretty, now here you'll be able to see this is the document which is having only the tags of 2, and here also the tags of 2. So whatever may be the tags, so it may be a drama, horror, suspense or anything, so but the tags are exactly of size 2, we are able to get it. So this is how we will be using the size operator. So this is how we will be using the size operator. So one thing what you need to understand is the size does not accept the range of values. So that means I want to get the document values which is having the tags size is around 2 to 4. So the range between, so it can have 2 or 3 or 4. So like that size, if you want to have the range of value, means the size the operator will not take. So to select the value documents based on the fields with a different number of elements. So that means the selecting the different number of elements, we cannot do it. So now, so this is about the size operator. Okay, it will take only the exact value. Size of 2 means it will return the documents which are having exactly the array of size 2 only. It will not give you the range of characters, the range of elements. So the second operator in the arrays. So these are the things which we are trying to discuss about the arrays only. So this is the size you have understood. And the second operator which I want to tell you about is the all operator. Okay, about this all operator. So if you try to see about this all operator, when we use this all operator is the all operators selects the document where the value of a field is an array. Okay, it should be an array that contains all the specified elements. So whatever the elements I specify in this all, so it should contain those elements only. So for example, let's say that db dot books dot find, I want to get an tags, okay, so which is having all means, so these elements only should be present. So here I can say it should contain only the drama. So let's say drama only. So here if I try to see dot pretty, so let's try to see dot pretty, and here we are able to see, so here I'm able to get all the documents which are having the tag as a drama. Okay, so I told only the drama, right? Not like that. So which is having the drama. Now let's say try to see, I will try to show you another example also. So now I want to get the documents which are having the tags drama and horror, these two things. Now we will be able to get 3 or 4, something like that. So now here it is having drama and horror, okay, and here we are also having the drama and horror, okay, and this is also drama and horror, okay, we are able to get it. Okay, so this all operator will try to check in an array whether it contains drama and horror, both the operators or not, both the tags or not. So this is equivalent to, what I can say is, this is equivalent to somewhat looking like end operation. For example, let's try to see db dot books dot find of. So I can use a dollar end operator, and here I can use something like here I can use something like end operator. We have used it, right? So here I can say end operator will take something like array, and here it will take tags of type drama, okay, and also tags of type horror. So this is also one and the same only. If you try to see here, I am able to get which are having tags drama and horror, 1 2 3 something like that. We are able to get it, and here also I am able to get somewhat we are getting wrong, right? So this is the wrong way I have kept it. So it should have something like close this one and also closed this one. Now if I try to see, I am able to get the three values. If I try to use the same thing for the all also without using the pretty, so I will also get the same value only. So 1a 1c 04, 1a 1c 04. So this end operator and using this all operator is one and the same only. Okay. So now when you pass nested array, so when we want to work on a nested array with the all operator, for example, let's say that we are having db find, let's try to see, I will try to show you. So find dot pretty. Okay, if you try to see here, so last element we are having a tags of array, and inside this one it is having an array of drama error. Okay, so this is an something like not like this tags of cooking, so not element, array of elements. We are having array of elements inside the tag array. That means array of array we are having. Now for these things, if you want to find, so how can we do is, so let's say that db dot books dot find of. So how it will try to find, I will try to show you. So here I need to use tags. So I will be using $all, and here I will try to see which is having array of drama and horror. Okay, so this time if I try to check this one, what will happen is it will also search for the nested of this one which is having an element of this one, and also the only the drama and horror elements also. For example, if I try to show you, so now, so this one is having an array of only drama and horror. So that is the reason. So array of drama and horror, we are able to get this one. And also we are able to get only the drama and horror. Why? Because it is having only the drama and horror. And here I am able to get, this is having an array of drama of error. So this is how it will be. It will be able to find the nested array and also the array which is having only the values. So here in this one, this array is an element of this array. So we can able to get it. So in the same scenario, so what I can do is nested array we have used it like this, right? The same scenario we can use it something like using the end operator also. So using the end operator, how we can do it? So let me try to show you. db dot books dot find of $end operator, we will try to use it, and here I will try to use something like tags. Okay, tags should be array of drama and also horror. So previously we used to have two objects. This time I am trying to check only these two objects. So if you try to check, so then also I am able to get the same output. If I try to use this, so this one we are having 3 items, right? The same output we are able to get it. So dot pretty, if I try to show you the same output. So drama and horror, and this one is having array of drama and horror. Okay. So this is how we can do it. And also another thing what I can do is, so this one also we can do it. So db dot another way, db dot books dot find of. So I can use something like tags which is having exactly drama, okay, drama and horror. So this is also one and the same only. Okay, this one gone, drama and horror. Okay, I can use a single quote here. Now this is also one and the same. Then also I can get the same output. So there is no change in the output. Now what I want to do is I want to get only the details which has an array of drama and horror in a tags, array of array. So then in that scenario what you can do is, so the same things which you can do is you can use something like array of like this, so which is having exactly array of array like this. Then you will get only one item which is having array of array. Okay, using the all operator, what you can do, the end operator also you can use, which is having array of array like this. Okay, array of array like this. Then also you will get only this one. So using the all operator also, where is this all operator? And all operator we are having, right? So inside this one you can mention only this one which is having only this one. So then also you are able to get this only array of drama and horror. Instead of having the elements, array of elements, we are able to get it. This is all about the all operator. So now in this session, what we have learned about the size operator, which will count the exact size value. So array, if it is an array, it will try to tell you which is having an array of size 2 values. So it will try to return it. And all operator means it will try to get the documents which are having those items what you have mentioned in the all thing. So this is all about the all and the size operator. In the next video, we'll try to learn about the element match. Hope you understood about these things. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.